Good evening to everybody online right now. If you're locking in with us for the first time, this is the Upnlive show. We're there each and every Tuesday. At the hot spot, my name is DJ Rick, Dragon. The Braffy selector, him there. I go on with a bag of things, I drop some song from early. The cartel juggling steamy though.
Alright.
Cause me I hear some song when I not hear in a while, one from weird on one part. Like you go dig up one box.
No, Vice Carter birthday, so we couldn't come and do it normal. You know what I mean?
Of course, which is right. All right, so if you're just joining us again, as I said before, the weekly show, we normally bring a guest. Like no other week, we have a special guest here with us this evening. He's a prominent DJ host. Right now, he's a promoter. He's been filling a lot of different hats over the last couple of years. He goes by the name, I don't know if we still call him, Terror Prince. May I find the rest of the name, then we have Kingterra. You have MixMaster Terror. And you have Talent Over Hype Terror. People, if you don't know, you get to know. This is Kingterra here live with us this evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Which one I name them I work with now, brother?
Kingterra / MixMasters.
Alright. So just introduce yourself for the viewers, somewhere, please.
They know I'm the one. They call me the chocolate Kingterra.
Chocolate.
Them girl call it chocolate.
MixMaster.
No, get that right. Them girl call it that the chocolate.
Them girl chocolate.
Yeah, every guy the dream. You know, I go red and black master. You know, it goes.
You see, of course. But you've been steadily growing in the music game. You're relatively still young.
Mm-hmm.
You've been around ever since I got to the UK. I've known you since then. That was roughly about 10 years now. People don't guess my age. I'm old.
Don't guess my name.
Yeah, but you've been doing the rounds. You've steadily progressed to where you are now. It's a long journey. Tell us how you started musically.
You know, I started in my sister's yard.
Yeah.
You know, my sister's boyfriend was a DJ, and I used to mess around with the decks, and I just love music in general. So I just messed around, and then when he used to go work, I used to sneak. I wasn't allowed to touch his white decks.
What's so special about the white decks then?
Because they were white. Yeah, man, it's a trouble. But I used to go in there and trouble it, and just play with them until you know, he came one day and saw me doing it. I was like, yo, yeah, actually good, you know. But to me, I just mess around with it.
Yeah.
And then it became from doing that till he started bringing me to parties. Until one day I was at a party, and the next DJ saw me, Kirk, at a house party, and said, yo, you need to go on the radio station. From the radio station, been on the radio station ever since. And
that's why I say you've been on to Mystic Radio.
Yeah, Mystic Radio. Yeah.
And the journey to Mystic Radio, that's how you formed, or you became a part of the Talent of Hype thing.
Well, at the beginning, it was just me. I was young, me graveyard shift. The latest shift.
Like say, yo, him just a forward. Just give him a run, then make us show him up.
Just the one show, and then till it became, I was on the radio every day.
Yeah.
And then obviously, you know, I linked up my brother, Jack Joe Mystic.
Yeah.
And then doing Talent of Hype. But I had one of the biggest shows on Thursday, Turn Up Thursday.
Yeah, it was a good show still. We used to listen still.
Yeah, and then just started from there.
Yeah.
Kicking off, and then started keeping parties there and there, and then that's it. Just grew up from there, man.
And now I see you're officially part of MixMasters, yeah?
Yeah, correct.
How did that come about?
Yes, I got booked for a booking, and I couldn't attend. Got ended up in hospital.
Yeah.
So they was like, yo, when you get better and that, come to the next one. So I get to the next one.
Yeah.
They booked me for this dance episode thing.
Yeah.
And I was playing, and I liked the vibe, so they booked me for the first Amsterdam weekender.
Yeah.
So I remember it was a cookout, and I remember shelling down this cookout.
Yeah.
And then he called me one day randomly. I was like, yo, you're a big DJ, and I like your thing. I need to join MixMaster, but he said it as a passing comment.
Yeah.
Not really like telling me he wants to be.
Yeah.
No, I said so.
He does a test the waters.
To see where I'll go with it. You get me? So I said, alright, cool, but alright. So we ended up going doing our dance episode. We're going in Spain.
Yeah.
We were doing Spain, so he put me in a pool party.
Yeah.
So he put me after everyone like DJ Corey and Super Nitro. He wanted to see what I had.
Yeah.
End up tearing down the pool
and give
party.
you prime time.
So I ended up tearing down this pool party. And then from there, he just like, yo, you need to be a part of this sound, bruv.
Yeah.
Gave me contract, everything, this, that, boom, boom, boom. So I big up Master J, because he said, yo, this. And then from then, we just started a crazy journey. And that's been a year already.
Yeah, big up to MixMasters. You know what I like with them? They're more professional. They're one of the professionals out there. And I think their attack with the business where I like them mostly go from the UK side.
Yeah.
Even though them play dancehall, obviously.
Yeah.
But the marketing strategy is good.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
good.
yeah. And then,
Yeah. So tell us, where are you now? Because I see you doing promotion as well. How did you get yourself into the promoting hat?
well, you know, someone told me to do my birthday party, so
Yeah.
I thought I start doing my birthday party. I was doing it before, I stopped it. Let's do a little drink up. So I said, no, let me get back into it. So I remember doing my 25th,
Yeah, I remember that.
and then like I remember I couldn't find no venue to keep this party, and I was nervous because when I did get a venue, I got a venue like 24 hours before, and it was a big venue.
I remember the big venue. Yeah.
So
But it played in your
Yeah,
You carry on, yeah, carry on.
I was stressed. I thinking this is big. I can't run this. This is gonna be terrible. So, and because I kept one in ages, obviously it's like you don't really know the power you have until you do something.
Yeah.
So I said, nah, man, this ain't gonna work out too tough. My missus was like, nah, man, you got this, man. You can do it. I'm like, nah, man, this is a big venue.
Yeah.
So the whole time I was stressing, paranoid. Maybe even on the night, oh boy, man, enough people are gonna turn up and get me.
Yeah.
But when I turned around,
Yeah, man, I remember the party.
I
Ram.
full the whole venue. So I was like, all right, so let me just make it into a yet thing, and I thought to do something different, not just a floral party. I like vision.
Yeah.
Just being around my missus does decorating business, so it's a vision where I like balloons and decorate to make something look
Yeah.
nice than just a hall. And from then, it's been going from red and black, and I've been doing it every year since, and it's been promotion. And now I end up doing Chacha Fridays, and I got anything called Chacha Fridays now. So
Yeah, tell us about the Chacha Friday. What's up with that now? I see you and Sparks, eh?
yeah, me and my Regent Sparks.
How did that
Big up
start?
Sparks.
I know you like guys have a good chemistry from a long time.
Yeah, we went to school together. We went to school together. So from then we were doing music. So that's about 15 years ago.
Yeah, a long time that.
Like, don't guess my age. So yeah, 15 years ago. So from then, we kept that link. So I back up on the venue, and I realized nothing don't go on a Friday no more.
Nothing.
Fridays are boring.
Yeah.
And people always message me, oh, well, I'm going on Friday. If it's not a party you're playing at,
Yeah.
there's no way you can go on a Friday
That's
and
that's-
enjoy it.
Yeah.
So I said, you know what? But then I thought about it, and the missus and the sister were having the conversation was like, hey, we should start a Friday thing. And I thought, I had it in my head already, but I just thought, maybe not. You get me? But she convinced me doing it.
Yeah.
So sitting there thinking of a name, we went for bare names. Jenna Bounce this, get me, Dash with this, Slap with this. You get me? Call it a couple
Run out one part.
Get me? She was like, hey, Cha-Cha. But I like the song Cha-Cha Boy, Ding Dong. You understand?
Yeah.
So I said that Cha-Cha. I was like, so it's like researching, has anyone got Cha-Cha? Anything? I realized there's no promotion called Cha-Cha.
No.
I said, no, but it's a catchy name. It's
Yeah.
got like a ring to it.
Yeah.
I said, all right. So I said, no, I'm going to start it. So I said, no, but I didn't want to do it by myself.
Yeah.
So let me do it with someone. I knew I could do it with Regent Sparks because as we've grown together,
Yeah.
and we're both kind of on the same
It's
level.
genuine.
Genuine, understand? So I said, so I shouted, what do you think about a Friday thing? He's like, Terra, that can work, you know, fam. I was like, you sure? I'm like, yeah. Boom. Flyer person. Boom. Got a date. Boom. That was out. Friday. Chacha Friday.
Yeah, that's what I realized with the promotion. It's like everything just into motion fast. Because
Yeah.
the first one me see is like it's just a random. Me think it's just a black party. You know, we have a black party.
Yeah,
say,
yeah,
yo,
yeah.
Company black. But when I realize me see the next week again, so me say, oh, it's serious. And when we see next week, me see different flyers go with different vision. That means there's something.
Yeah, so that's it was. I didn't personally want to go and put a party and just do a Friday thing.
Yeah.
I want it to be every Friday. There's something catchy to it. Something different. Because I like something different. I want the big people to come and they feel different.
Yeah.
So I didn't want it just a simple Friday.
Friday. Make a theme, yeah? Make
Yeah.
a theme every Friday.
Yeah, so I said every Friday I'm going to switch it up.
Of course.
Every Friday switch up. So
What's the theme for this Friday?
it's ladies night.
So I think something like that. I think
Yeah, Mr. the ladies, I'm take all.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
ladies takeover. All male DJs chill out tonight. The ladies gonna take over this.
That
dance.
not gonna go on. The man them ego.
No,
too.
no, no,
Yeah.
Nah, that's it. Nah, listen. For when I say females night, there's no man behind that sound.
Terry, you want bet?
How much you want bet?
All right.
We
We have a kill this 20 pound a bit. Alright, people.
Listen,
I'll
no
put
man
that
behind that
20
sound.
pound. Alright, listen to the bit.
Any man behind that sound, I'm telling you, they'll get removed so quick the way we
Listen.
see it coming.
Alright. Anybody growing there, you have
Yes,
to.
yes.
I can't even go around the
I
sound.
swear it's gonna be a man who start off the party.
Yeah.
No.
Alright. Terror.
From woman beginning to
Terror.
end.
Listen me now. Listen me. Me father the party this
All
Friday. Me I make sure couple piece a full good thing, and then me I come see what I going. Cause
Yeah.
me want my 20 pound in there. Yes sir.
He's not gonna, listen, I want my £20.
We are recorded, so you go see.
The normal guy man that sound.
Anyway, today a Vibes Cartel birthday, yeah?
I am.
Me gonna ask one of the toughest question right now.
Go on.
As a DJ, pick three are the best song we think Vibes Cartel do in a year own view. Alright, best let me now write down. 3 songs for this decade.
What is it?
From 2010 till now.
My personal songs or just
Yeah.
overall?
No, you're a personal song, man. 3 of them.
It's gonna be a bit bad because I'm a Gully fan still, so
He's a gully man. Yes, you see that now? No, but listen.
no, but
If you are gonna say you're a gully fan, you have to respect.
No,
Vance.
I
I mean, a
respect-
Gaza fan.
I
I mean,
respect
I have to
Cartel,
respect gully.
I respect Cartel, man, and he's got some
I
tunes.
respect
And
Movado to a certain extent.
Yeah, this
I
I want
respect,
to
I
know.
respect Cartel. 'Cause he's the only man. He's very intelligent,
Yeah.
and the way he is now, and the way he brings out songs, you'll think he's still at home.
Yep.
You think he's still in Jamaica, he's in Jamaica. You think he's still in the studio, just
Sneaking up on the corners.
yeah. You get me just chilling with.
But
You
I
get
gotta
me?
got them lock up.
So, anyway, me no want-
I see you throwing shade. It's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright. It's that jargon.
I don't know. I don't see nothing.
But that's alright. 3 songs.
the song them, yeah. Why I go on for that?
Alright, my first song.
Yeah.
And the reason I like this song, when I heard it,
Yeah.
I heard it just on the bass. I said, yo, this tune's bad. In stock.
In stock. Bad song.
It's bad.
The little girl song there is
Yeah,
nice.
but you hear it on the sound system and it's beat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he have the authentic dancehall feel.
Yeah, it's got it, that reminds me of Cartel when he was black. You understand?
Yeah.
That he's got that. He remember that old school
Yeah.
Cartel.
Yeah.
You get me? We got. You know, obviously up to the time Cartel. I said it sounds. I said yeah,
Old school. So you like the 90s feel like Cartel?
yeah. That. My second song I like. It's not. It's not between 2000. It might be Brooklyn.
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 Yeah. Real bad
Wait.
man about Brooklyn.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no, because that song then is a bad song. Can't really dead still. You know,
You can't.
Yeah, and I look at juggling there.
I've realized. I've tried it. I've seen it.
Yeah.
And once you play the bad man for bad man pull up, if you don't play that song there,
Yeah.
you got to plug your laptop, put your laptop
this
down.
man from
you-
90s. Like,
Straight away,
Yeah.
the forward goes crazy. You know what time it is, so you have to play that song.
All right, cool. One more.
One more Cartel song. Channel Star.
What's I think, you know?
Not even a thing. All right.
But like how you the girl, man, you not go ramping shop, man, because you might make a little thing go on for you.
That rapping shop's been closed for a long time.
All right, final song. Come on, me forgive my drum, bro.
Going to party tonight, yeah. Got that song there. Yeah.
I'm love you the right way.
I'm
You
going to
go.
party
You can tell us it's a gully fan, you know. Because I realize you don't pick nothing new, because you know, you know nothing what I go on. You know, really follow up the Gaza camp like
No,
that.
listen.
I feel like the Gaza camp, but
Him not have a choice.
Nah, watch
As
out.
a DJ, you don't have a choice because like, if me there dance all night with my woman, I mean, I hear the baddest Cartel girl song. DJ boring, you know.
You don't feel like you come to
yeah,
party.
there's
Yeah.
certain, like, you see all the 6 is real and that. I'm not really a fan. The tunes are bad. Don't get
Yeah.
me wrong.
Yeah.
But you can't go to party and not play a Cartel or Movado and not bust that place down.
So here what? Well, everybody can figure out, say you grew up in that era where the Gully and Gaza was at war.
Yeah.
So I could see that was the last bit of high school. Finishing school or just finished school. So I could see that's why you are a die-hearted Gully fans. Because remember Gully not really have no new fans, you know, from about 2009, 2010. They don't really have a
You
much.
can't say that about the artist.
Can't say that, man.
But
Nah,
listen, me
joining
no.
See,
What I'm
you see,
what I'm
sound
saying
like a
is
real
about
Gaza fan.
main jam new fan because like Movado keep current, but you haven't done nothing big for say because in that point
He
you have
not
a lot
trended.
of
He's
you
not
have a lot of
trended.
other artists come in the space like when Alkaline come along and those man everybody were potentially going to turn Gully or Gaza fans was saying Vendetta
Yeah.
and before Alkaline did have Popcorn everybody that swing Popcorn way because Popcorn they get the new Clarks and rare so as what me I say the fan them sure up as what them say keep big but
Everybody
Movado
say-
they take film slides from earlier and he
No,
meet
is
up
it?
most
He's
of them
half
you know.
in greedy.
You know, I realize, yeah. You see, Cartel, Movado, they're two different. They're two different people. Cartel's a DJ. Movado's a
Mama was
singer.
a singer.
No, we respect Movado. I respect what Movado do.
See that Cartel can DJ bad,
Yeah.
but if you wanna catchy song what's a hit, Movado has it.
Yeah, Movado has the melody.
He's got the melody where it just rings.
Yeah, but
All right, this now.
you
This,
remember back in the war when it just started
Yeah.
and Vice Carter was going hard on the DJ thing. Then he figured it out because he's a smart guy. Say slow down and start sing
sing.
those catchy lyrics.
Yep.
So you realize no 5 minute song now because that war that
even
him and
summertime,
Movado
summertime,
do,
I sing
improve
that.
him as a person.
Yeah.
Improve him as a person.
Yeah.
So now you see a lot of these songs we him do, he can have that little catchy little hook or that catchy verse on it because
Yeah,
he
of course.
learned that from Movado.
Of course.
Cool.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Of course.
Everyone eats one, teaches one.
All right,
You know
cool.
this. You hear me?
Nice. People, if you're just joining us, Kingterra there, our MixMaster Terror is here with us live in the building.
The king.
And we are trying to find out little things about Terror himself, just about his musical journey. For you as a DJ now, what would have been the best highlight for you as a young DJ in the game?
Me, playing in Notting Hill Carnival. Now that's like it's okay playing in a club and playing to hundreds of people,
Yeah.
but when you're on a truck playing in front of thousands of people,
Yeah.
that you have that is like 20,000 or how about people following your truck
Yeah.
just to hear you play that. It's nervous wreck. I was nervous.
It's
First time.
surprising for you because with me, I have a similar situation with I never wanted to play a carnival. People keep asking me to play on the float, but I always say to myself because I'm a person I like challenges. Henceforth, that's why I don't really even follow up like dance out too much at England because really there's no room for growth. This is the same
To
thing.
me, to be honest,
it's the same repetitive thing over.
Always.
But I didn't like the thought of playing for a carnival because it was just too easy for me. But it's surprising to hear your view of it from a different spin, which is interesting. What you saying,
and
Jagger?
that was the same thing I'm looking in terms of carnival. I'm not underrated no DJ hustle, but for me, I kind of have the same view because when I go to carnival, I go with the mindset, say I'm gonna party, and like I never really see a DJ play a carnival and flop, cause you can't really flop at carnival. To be honest,
That's so tricky.
No, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
me never really see nobody really flop.
All right.
You can't really flop.
Alright.
You're gonna get a foul,
Alright,
but
you
maybe
see-
not the
you see-
foul if you get.
That's
But you're gonna,
a serious speech right there, no.
No, you can't really flop because
You can.
people come to read the party.
You can. I remember this. Yeah, Carnival is not based on one truck, you know. It's based on multiple trucks, over 50. So if your truck is not doing great, you will see people run past your truck and go to the next truck because that truck is doing something. So that means that DJ that's playing on that truck at the moment ain't doing nothing in Carnival because no one's standing there.
Yeah, but picture the road at carnival. You're never gonna see a truck or behind a truck
Yeah.
where it's gonna be empty.
Huh?
Behind a truck, no matter. I never saw
No,
the kid before.
Lana.
I see people moving along from a truck.
Yeah.
Maybe the
They
truck
will
cannot
move
hold the vibe,
along. Alright.
but
All right.
people stop for a little while and
Alright.
party.
One,
See, Carnival Master, yeah.
Alright, 1 year
I feel this.
1 year, alright, 1 year Carnival, yeah?
Yeah.
I can't remember what year it was. And just before we get to Ladbroke Grove,
Yeah.
we was playing. So I was turning Ladbroke Grove, and I remember turning around and looking, and there was not one truck behind. It was only our truck running Notting Hill Carnival. And we carried the whole of Carnival right through Ladbroke Grove. And I was like, where were the trucks? They all got took off the street.
Is it?
Why?
I couldn't even tell you why. I just remember my truck alone. I didn't see no truck. It maybe might stuck in traffic somewhere. They was never to be seen.
Broke down.
It's a breakdown.
Yeah, truck now,
No. Simba say Carnival look easy, but it's not easy.
It's
Yeah,
not.
but
It's
back
not.
to that,
It's
the-
not.
the
It's not easy. It's
conversation.
not easy. It's not easy.
You know me, we've got nothing in carnival and
Yeah.
jog up on the floor a few times. Yeah? Missy DJ flop down on that.
Serious. It's a serious thing.
Proper flop.
Flop.
down on that.
You gotta remember, yeah.
Brother, listen.
Man can't-
Yeah, go on.
Yeah,
Go on.
listen, man.
Big. It's a serious thing. It's a serious thing.
There are some people take them carnival different energy. You play a song where they leave to one, then stop dance and them walk.
And they go. Listen, you know sometimes.
I'm missing
Yeah.
DJ. Me even a call.
Don't call no names.
I swear some man come from.
No, on the road though, yeah.
Yeah.
It's true what he said because sometimes I go to other trucks and see what I know a lot of DJs.
Yeah.
So sometimes if I'm running late, I gotta run because I'm running late and I gotta catch my truck. And let me tell you something, it could be there's millions of people in Carnival, but there's no one behind this truck because it's just remember people. Even though people come to party, but you have to keep
Have the
people,
vibe.
You have to keep people with you.
You have to keep the vibe.
You have to get the vibe. So let me tell you, in the dance, if you flop in the dance, you flop in the dance. Carnival's a serious thing because you will be remembered. If you flop, not because everyone's drunk, you will be remembered.
Yes.
You will be remembered. So
Right, what I'm doing.
Is that
you might go to party, but I'm telling you, he say he goes to Carnival, he got a man, he goes to party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if he's behind a truck and he's got no vibe, let me tell you something, he's leaving that truck going to the next truck.
Yes.
Because in his mind, this is boring. I have to go to the next one.
Dead.
Yeah.
Dead.
Because
That's it.
a song can play, no?
Yeah.
They can play every hit song where people might rock to, but if the vibe not right,
That's it.
and you not mix the song them right.
Yeah, you have to make
Nah, go
Chemistry.
and you
Let me-
have to your sound system. You have to be kicking.
Let me say this to say that. All right, going to like these club, we have 3 and 4 rooms. Yeah,
Yeah,
2 of the room them are 3 of the room them are always flap.
yeah, of
And
course.
you have 1 room with nice.
Yeah.
And if 1 room nice, what you gonna remember? The sweet room where in a man no one girl a wine for your whole night.
All right.
You don't remember I flap part one of
Right
them.
now I'm part.
That's why
Alright.
I tell you, so when people go to carnival, I go with this mindset. If I'm here, I don't like what's playing, I'm going to the next truck. But come with the sound system here, and they might chat too much, me just go to the next sound. Not really
Yeah.
say them flap. Cause to me, people still tell them, everybody tell them they have a ball, a good time.
Yeah.
But
Same
just
way.
don't like what's playing.
All right. For example, your carnival. I think it's talk. We do Hackney Carnival as well.
Yeah.
Last year we came first Hackney Carnival. We came third in Notting Hill Carnival. Yeah, before that I think we came second or something like that.
So all the judging go a carnival. What
Nah,
them do?
so-
Judge your band them or the DJ or all
Alright,
that.
right now they're bringing judging the DJs now, isn't it? But they judge the band. Basically, they judge you from every aspect of the carnival.
Yeah.
Your costume, your dancing,
Costume,
everything.
reaction of the crowd.
If you got the scaffolding and you haven't got the foam on it, they judge that. You probably take you off the road.
Is it?
Yeah. So they judge you on everything in carnival. And for not being big-headed, we're always in between first and third.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always.
So it's like a muggling thing then.
If I say, where Carnival I take over.
Maybe carnival is just not my cup of tea, yeah, sorry.
Nah, man. Alright.
Maybe I'm too old school, you know.
Nah,
Like,
man. Okay, you say that now.
I like the bambulan thing, you know. And yeah,
But if you was ever on a truck DJ, you'll get a different aspect.
But listen, man.
Ah.
I tell them all the way. Try and get on one of the
Try and go on a truck and just
forward,
DJ for an hour, and I guarantee you, you're gonna think what I'm gonna do right now.
To be honest, me I mash up a place. No, then me drunk and go braff. It's just a no-brainer, cause like I had an idea when me go, as I tell you, I go to carnival, I go to work for one thing.
Yeah.
I go to party, have a good time.
I'm brav.
Yeah, that's it. Go have some drink
I'm
and
going wine back canal. But anyway.
wine back a who?
Canal.
No, me don't want wine.
Anyway, people, if you're just joining us, as I said before, we here we're live with Terra Prince, we'll put a different name, Kingterra, MixMaster
That's the
Terra.
name for life now.
Kingterra.
Terra.
Just call him Terry, man.
Yes.
Man, a king of what I do, innit?
Of course. Obviously, Terra, you've seen the dancehall industry from different sides in the UK. Obviously, you know the street side, the road thing, and you've seen the mainstream as well. There's a few different questions I want to ask, but I'll start with this one, right? What's the difference between the street parties and the mainstream thing? Like from a DJ perspective, which one you enjoy more? Like from the ghetto dance, the street dance, full party them, than playing in Ibiza?
All right, your enjoyment is always gonna be in the ghetto side of things, because that's the part where that's what made you. You came. So, for example, for me, I came from that part.
Yeah.
I came from that part, growing from that part, and got a name through that part. So when you go to the side of now professional side of things of mainstream,
Yeah.
yes, it's enjoyable, but that's more business now. It's now business where it's money making. It's business. You now got to be a professional DJ,
Yeah.
and you have to act a certain way, talk a certain way. So mainstream is a professional. That's a business side of things. But when you talk about back in the ghetto of dance, so that's your enjoy. That's like your livelihood. You know, your heart, where that's where you come from. That's where you grew.
That's how we look at it, but I'm just trying to find it from your perspective if you seen it, because obviously you're probably a little bit younger than me, so
Yeah.
I might try to find out if your angle is looking at it for the same way as how we see, because obviously we do a lot of like the mainstream thing as well, but we probably don't really broadcast as much. But when we play for that side, it's nice and we get a vibe, yes, but there's not that love for it, or we find like if we play one dance and we
it's
play
not
for 20
because
minutes.
You've got in that part because you know that's the business side of it.
Yeah.
So you're when you're playing music, you're gonna enjoy it regardlessly. But you know you're there for one reason: business,
And business
entertaining, and getting this. More, you're making more business out of it.
Yeah.
But you won't be like how you are when you're in the side where you grew up from, and street party and when some dungeons and walls everyone's beating down the wall, there's holes in the ceiling, and that kind of side of things. You get me? So
Yeah.
that's always gonna be our enjoyment, and that's the part we're gonna love. That's the part where you see us come out.
Which-
Well,
Yeah. Which side you like more? You like the promoter side or you like the DJ side?
always the DJ side. I love the DJ side. I love entertaining people, and I love bringing them something new.
Mm-hmm. So how do you transfer that? Because remember now, the promoter art is different from the DJ art. Obviously, how you manage to mesh the two together, because the Kingterra side doing the big festivals and all that, does it not clash together with your little promotion thing?
No, it kind of balances in each other. Because I started off DJing, I've been around promoters, so I've learned the left side of it, learned the right side of it, I learned the sides of it. So I've found a way to balance my DJ side of it, and then take myself out of it, and also balance the side of promotion.
Then what?
I would call myself a full-time promoter.
Yeah.
I'm
Part-timer.
Yeah, I call myself someone that's just trying to do something for my for
The culture.
culture.
No, but you have to find people, you know, some people take it personally where if you're a promoter, you know, support for them event, them say, oh, yo, Terror keep him thing, nah, come on, Terror thing, and you know, some people still like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, of course.
How are you going to avoid something like that?
In this day and age, you're never gonna avoid it.
Mm-hmm.
You're never gonna, because you can support everybody, and they'll still find a fault within your support.
So basically, you don't believe in the support for support then?
I believe in support for support. I believe in support for support.
Yeah,
But at the same time, you can't be everywhere.
Yeah.
If there's 6 dances on that night, you can't reach all 6.
Yeah.
So you just have to go to one, and at least people keep dancing. I put up their flyers, whoever I put up. Like, if you don't support me, I won't say I don't support you, but if you support me, I'm gonna support you.
Yeah, but look at it this way as well. I'm keeping that event,
Yeah,
and you have a show in a week or something.
yeah,
You know what I mean? So I'm gonna have you up now because you're not there.
yeah.
You're
No,
working.
that's wrong. Because why?
You know what I mean?
Why? It's like taking bookings. So yeah, there's a day you can't take 100 bookings in a day.
Yeah.
Because you're
You
gonna
can't
make it.
Yeah.
Maybe you could take 2. The max may be 3. Depends on the distance of each other.
And the timing.
But some people that they want you, and you can't get to, and they're like, oh man, but there's nothing I can do.
Yeah.
Can't be there. But if you're gonna hold it against me, then you don't. It's like, what's the point? You need to book me for your event again.
Cool.
I mean, so I do now just Fridays. Either you support me
Yeah.
or you don't support me. Either way, I'm still gonna keep promoting. I'm still gonna keep shining. I'm still gonna keep going, and no one's gonna stop me.
Simple.
Yeah, that's it.
From this interview today, what would you like people to take from this to know about Terror? What is the most important thing you like viewers to know about you as a person?
Me, how you see me and how I am on the radio, not on the radio, face to face, not face to face, anywhere. I'm the same person. I could be a millionaire tomorrow. How you still see me in your dance, same way. How you see me, how I am. So it's just remain the same, be the same.
Simple.
That's it.
You couldn't say it any better.
That's it.
All right. Normally, if he's a DJ, that part I would not say go freestyle, but I don't know if you have some lyrics on there.
Boy.
Oh gosh, people. One last question. The rum thing. You still deal with the rum? Cause I know he's a rum specialist.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's what the rum bar now, but I don't do rum, but so I've got people doing it for me.
All right, we're looking forward for that.
So we on to know.
Me.
Yeah, I don't want to find my room.
Wait. Honestly, I stopped drinking, so I might have a drink there. Maybe
Yeah.
like a shot of something like a brandy there or a whiskey there. No,
But
that's
the
a
rum-
whiskey.
The rum is good for you.
I don't drink rum. No, I ain't drank rum since last year. And no, I lied. I drank rum the whole of 2019. I ain't drank
Because
rum.
I remember
drink
last time I see you was drinking rum. You know?
Yeah, but everyone knows Terror's a rum
Terror's a
specialist.
rum man,
Yeah,
yeah.
rum man.
We know that.
When I came to my birthday party, I'm selling rum bar. I'm not even selling normal rum.
So
Hear
rum
me?
bar.
Rum
Yeah.
specialist. Like, you see me, anything I do, rum.
Was there a particular reason? Are you not like to discuss? Was there a reason for you stopping drinking rum? Is it reasons, or you just?
Yeah, there's reasons. There's reasons. Obviously, I'm not alcoholic. I'm drinking like this one here, drinking through the bottle. But
Brava.
but yeah, nah. I stopped drinking rum for reasons, health reasons.
Yeah.
You get me? So, you know, sometimes I was alcoholic, but I was drinking rum
Yeah.
a lot.
A lot.
Every time I go out, I'll be as like I said, you must put my name on it. You get me? Ray and Terror.
That's
Get me?
true.
But you know,
Of course. Wicked. People. Thank you very much for joining us. Can you just give us some socials and how we can find you?
So you can catch me on the Instagram. All right, Kingterra .MixMasters.
Yeah.
All right, guys, Instagram. You guys on Twitter. Sorry, it has got my old name. I'm not going to get confused. It's got Terra Kid 1. I need to change that by now.
Yeah.
No, it's people are still used to Terra Kid.
Brother, a Terra Kid never call you until.
Like people are so used to it. So it's like, how much I say King Terra, people say, yo, Terra Kid. I'm like,
Yeah.
I nothing I can do about it because that's how I started. I
Yeah.
started with that name, so it's synced to people's names. It's synced to people's
Alright, you know what's gonna. Alright, put it this way. Anybody here call you Terra Kid, you know, say day one.
Yeah, day one.
Yeah. Anybody here call Terra
King Terra. It's just one day.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Yeah, one day. That's it. That's
Of
it. It's
course.
foundation.
All right. Any last words before we go?
So, last words. Don't forget, Friday, Cha-Cha Fridays,
Yep.
ladies' night. So nothing but female DJs. And that's gonna be at Mills Mead Hall.
Yeah.
All right, Tottenham Hell. Okay,
And this
from 11:30 till 4 o'clock.
Till 11:30 to
4
4.
o'clock.
So they get 5 hours for party. Makes
Yeah,
sense.
and I said ladies free before 1. You know, I go then, but after it's actually crazy. Ladies all night, so make sure you're like early, and a lot of giveaways. A lot of giveaways.
Alright, we'll come check it out, alright?
Last time we gave away wigs and them thing there,
Yeah.
so you know,
Of course.
Yeah.
makeup.
Rick
and all.
one, you know.
Yeah, you want.
Rick
That one gonna cause me here again, so
Yeah,
I forget
going
one.
in,
It must cost some of your lucks and give me some of them.
Rick, you're going, you know, you have got save one for Rick, you know.
Want a frontal.
but me, I hate hair, you know that. I hate hair. I don't like
shit.
hair on my face, understand? So, yeah, my bro Sparks as well, you understand? My partner in crime.
Of course.
That's it, man.
Manners, give
That's
thanks,
it,
alright?
man.
Thank you very much for passing through. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Sprint. We're produced by World Mag Entertainment. Remember, you can watch the show on the YouTube channel. Go on to Upnlive show on YouTube. Remember, you click that subscribe button and also click the bell. You know where you go.
Get notified, 'cause you know when the new video them upload, if you click the bell, you're not gonna know that. See? So
Simple.
click the bell and get notified when the video them drops in. Right now, we are keep the celebration going, and it's all about Adija, the teacher.
Palmer.
Yeah.